Good morning, class. This is the lesson for the week ending August 14 for asynchronous days, which means the students are working independently. Now, I'm going to review with you what you're going to be working independently with today. Okay, so every time you have an asynchronous day, I will have for you a video, and it's called an instructional video. I'll explain to you what you need to do, okay? So this will also be loaded on eClass for you to be able to review. Okay, so we're moving forward with connecting with literature and writing. Okay, you're going to read about reading literature. Every time you read anything in literature, it's about the big question of life. It's all books that we will be reading and that you read in the past is about questioning freedom, friendships, all these different things that affects people's lives. So you're going to be reading this today about the power of ideas. All books come from ideas or experiences. And I really want you to read this because I want you to really understand character analysis. Because during the memoir that we will be reading, you'll be reading your own independent book and then writing a memoir about that character. I really want you to really understand what character analysis means, the feelings, the actions, the sayings, and the thoughts. So every time you're reading and you're reading about the character, I really want you to ask yourself these four questions consistently because during your memoir, you're going to be providing textual evidence, which means you're going to be giving dialogue and explaining how the character is feeling and their thoughts. And while you're reading, you're going to be doing active reading. Now, our reading materials will become a little bit more intense, and you're going to be doing active reading. And also, when you are reading your book for the next 9 weeks, I want you, when you're reading, you are asking yourself, what is this about? What does this word mean? If you don't know what a word means, get on your phone, write down the word, text in the word, and then you'll be able to get the meaning. Is what you're reading, is it controversial? Is it relevant? Is it flawed? Do you have great quotes? Okay, so remember that's called active reading. You are asking questions while you're reading. And with literature, the themes, I want you to get used to the themes of literature. Man struggles against nature. Man struggle against societal pressure. So I want you to read a few of these because I will ask you these questions. What do you think the theme of this story may be? And definitely, quite a few of these themes that I provided to you um, will be themes that we will be reading. Okay, so from our reading assignments that we will have in the future, we will be focusing on these type of themes. So get accustomed and familiarized with these type of themes, okay? And genres. Now remember, when it comes to the genre, we will be reading fiction. We will have quite a few short stories, novels, novellas, and folk tales. And poetry, definitely. Narrative poems we'll be working on. Drama as well. And next semester, we'll be working on nonfiction. So, when I tell you, get a nonfiction book, you should know it could be an autobiography, a speech, or reference articles. If I tell you, okay, I want you to read some fiction item today for your assignment, it could be a short story, it could be a novel. So, I need you to understand what these words mean and attach it to fiction or poetry, drama, or nonfiction. I want you to familiarize yourself again with the various types of genres. This is my virtual classroom. You have an assignment today, and my virtual classroom is very user friendly. So on this easel, you're going to click, and it will bring you to the assignment. Because we're talking about reading and books, your assignment for today will be a reflection of the book. You're going to write one or two paragraphs about how you connected with the book. Was it a lesson, an idea, or a life experience of the character? Provide examples of how the book connected to your life. Okay? Now, if someone says, Mr. Jesus, I don't read, well, you need to be reading. And it could be a book when you were younger, maybe your parents read to you, or your teacher, or you loved the book when you were younger. It doesn't matter. Just a book you connected with. And I want you to submit it using the assignments tool in eClass. And when you submit your assignment, please make sure you write your name, the name of the book, and you can definitely find the author's name if you look online. Okay? And then the next easel will be for you to explore what book you're going to be reading for this semester for the memoir. And it will be a nonfiction, okay? So you click, and it will bring you to your eClass page into the Destiny Discover, where there are various books that you can be able to rent from the Media Center and then, or check out from the Media Center and read. Or you can buy it online, whatever you wish to do. And to make it easy for you as well, my virtual classroom, you will press the tray. It will bring you to how you can be able to submit your assignment. This is the eClass student guide on how to submit files for your text only assignments. So this is a very good way, this is a very good tool you will be able to use to be able to submit your assignments. So this will also be loaded for you on eClass, and you will use this to read and to assess. I really want you to work on character analysis and definitely active reading. So we're going to go over this on Monday when I meet with you. Okay, so that is it. Have a great day. If you have any questions, you can send me a question on eClass because I'll be monitoring it for the entire day. And I'll see you live very soon. Have a great day.